Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's that girl Riza, all together, that girl R-A-I-Z-A, Riza. Thank you once again for coming to my videos and checking out my video. This is just a little get ready with me for this very natural look. Got some lashes on, pero basically me quise hacer el maquillaje porque me hicieron el pelo. Ew. Shout out to Sammy. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Thank you. Gracias por venir otra vez a chequear mi canal. Sé que he estado perdida, sé que he tenido inconsistencia. Necesito más disciplina, y si no tengo disciplina y consistencia no vamos a llegar a nada, ¿verdad? Today we're just gonna do a simple everyday look. No voy a hacerme tanto makeup. Lo que realmente quería era conectarme de nuevo con ustedes. My eyebrows are already done. I used the MAC brow pencil. This is in Spike. So I just basically fill in my eyebrows just like that. I already have moisturizer, so I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my skin with Mario Badescu, something like that. I don't know. And I'm just trying to use these like spray primers now because like I feel they're much lighter on the skin than having obviously any kind of cream. Just tie my hair back real quick because I don't want to mess up my hair, okay? So I'm gonna use MAC Fix Fluid. It's my go-to foundation. Volviendo al tema inicial de este video, voy a tratar de comprometerme mucho más con mis uploads. Quiero decir que voy a tratar de subir semanal. Which day of the week, I don't know. I'm figuring that out. But at least I want to compromise some way to upload at least once a week. So, oren por mí, amiguitos. Envíenme buenas vibras. And hopefully we'll get there and start building our community family, right? For concealer, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Este concealer es el concealer. Ustedes están entendiendo, este concealer es el concealer. To set my concealer, I like to use the Patrick Star powder. I don't bake. I just set my concealer with this powder. I do a decent amount of it. So for kind of all over bronzing my face and slightly contouring, but not even contouring because I really don't contour that much, to be honest, I'm using the Patrick Star from his last holiday collection, and it is a shimmery kind of bronzer, but it has color to it, so I feel like it kind of gives my cheeks some definition without being too harsh, and it just looks beautiful on the skin. I mean, if you're a deeper complexion, this would look more highlight on you. And if you're a more fair complexion than me, then this would look kind of like a very shimmery bronzer. For medium skin tone, I kind of use it like as an all-in-one kind of thing. And I'm going in with this Jeffree Star. I got the little brush set. You see that? Isn't that so pretty? I am going with a blush. This is from MAC. This is See Me Blush. Esto fue de one of their recent collections, monochromatic collection, monocromático. Yeah, it's a really pretty blush. I love MAC blushes. They're so pretty, so pigmented. For my eyes, I'm not really doing much. This is a palette I created, and MAC. So I'm just gonna use soft brown, which is kind of like an everyday shade. You can see there I'm hitting pan. And I'm just gonna apply that all over the crease, sobre toda la cuenca, con mi fluffy brush. Cuenca is crease in Spanish, okay? So I'm just gonna apply that to kind of give, para darle definición, you know, to give definition to my eyes a little bit. But I'm not really doing an eyeshadow look at all. Now I'm gonna take that same eyeshadow and run it through my lower lash line with the 239 MAC brush. So I'm just gonna change the brush basically so I can use the tip of it to run it under my lash line, really close. Really, that's about it as far as what I'm doing for eyeshadow. I'm gonna add a highlight in the inner corner, but I'm just gonna pop some lashes, and I need to kind of like tight line right here, which is so uncomfortable, but that way the lashes can blend in without having to add too much liner, you know what I mean? I don't know if you can really tell the difference between this eye and this eye, but that helps a lot. Cuando te pongas la pestaña, si no llevas mucho maquillaje en el ojo, ese pedacito de liner ayuda a que la pestaña parezca tuya natural, ¿me entiendes? A que si me lo dejo en blanco, la pestaña se va a ver completa llena y después se va a mirar eso ahí clarito, que es lo que chotea, que es pestaña. No sé si me estoy explicando bien. Este ojo siempre se me hace más difícil. Para mi highlight, boom, en my inner corner voy a usar esta paleta de Fenty. Y esta paleta de Fenty como que engaña. Como que tú ves estos colores, se ven todos brillosos, ¿verdad? Se ven todos bien bellos. Pero cuando te los pones, son más brillosos todavía. Like, they just blow your mind even more. So I'm going to use this shade right here. Voy a usar el del centro. And this shade, it looks kind of like champagne or whatever. But like, it pops so much on my skin tone. So, I don't know. Eso es lo que voy a usar. Look at that. Look at that. And the brush I'm using for this is a Morphe. Morphe is a Morphe brush. Una brocha de Morphe. M213. It's just so tiny. You see that? So good for detail of the inner corner. Yeah. So that looks like that. And I'm probably going to apply that very same one to my highlight cheek. To my highlight cheek. To my... yeah, to my cheek for highlight. Whatever, yeah. And I'm going to use the Fenty highlighting brush. I always leave my face powder for the very end because I like to use less powder for my makeup. My skin is a little bit more towards the dry side. If you have a more oily complexion, you can probably do your face powder way before in the process. Pero voy a usar el polvo base de MAC. Y esta es una brocha de ELF, que ni de ELF ya se le borró el nombre. Pero esto es una brocha de ELF de blush, actually. Pero yo la uso siempre para mi polvo en la cara. Tengo que comprar un polvo nuevo. Miren eso. Qué vergüenza. Y siempre me gusta... Casi siempre aplico más en la área de alrededor de la boca, debajo de los ojos. Porque aquí es donde quiero que tenga más cobertura y también es donde a veces, pues, cuando uno suda un poquito, es donde primero el maquillaje se empieza a, you know, break. This is the time where I take my brush with my face powder as well and kind of like soften my blush application. Difumino ese blush. así. Ahí le permite entonces más una forma definida. Y ve cómo se ve este lado. You see how this side looks on my cheek? As opposed to this side, it looks a little rough. So I always like to go with my face powder. And yeah, you blend your eyeshadow, so also blend like your face products, you know? Okay, so we're almost done. As far as makeup wise, I think I'm pretty comfortable. I'm just gonna put some lashes, and these are Baddie B Lashes. La pueden seguir en Instagram. Ella es una YouTuber, Jenny69. But these lashes are so cute. This is hashtag Baddie. So I'm just gonna pop these lashes and I'll come for my lip look, okay? Okay guys, so I'm back with my lashes. Look how pretty. With my lashes, look at how pretty. So let's do the lips. I'm gonna go for a very nude look. I'm gonna do Strip Down from MAC lip pencil, and then I'm just gonna use the Marc Jacobs lip gloss. This is in Cream and Sugar. I got this lip gloss because Mitchell recommended this lip gloss on IG, and he does bomb makeup, so yeah, I'm that kind of girl. Bust down, Tatiana, bust down. I wanna see you bust down. Pick it up, now break that shit down. Speed it up, now slow that shit down on the gang.